students. Today we are going to see chapter 13 Python and CSV files. Already we learned what is meant by CSV files. Let us revise. A CSV file is a human readable text file where each line has a number of fields separated by commas or some delimiters. Learning objectives. Here the learning objectives are sorting a CSV file with a specified column, reading CSV file into a dictionary, reading CSV file with user-defined delimiter into a dictionary. How do we study CSV files? A CSV file can be opened in any program. However, for most users, a CSV file is best viewed to a spreadsheet such as Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc or Google Documents, etc. because here the data are stored in a tabular database. It's very useful to store some data in a tabular column value. So here most of the users preferable CSV files to store the data in a tabular column. How to read a CSV file? There are two different ways to read a CSV file. First one is CSV modules reader function. Second one is dict reader class. In CSV module reader function, it has to be divided into many parts. First one, CSV file with default delimited comma. Second one, CSV file data with space at the beginning. Third one, CSV file data with quotes. Fourth one, CSV file data with custom delimiters. Apart from this, we can read a specific column in a file. We can also read a CSV file and store it in a list. Read a CSV file and store a column value in a list for sorting. Sorting a CSV file with a specified column. And second method is dict reader class. So in this dict reader class, we are going to divide it into two parts. First one is reading CSV file into a dictionary. Second one is reading CSV file with user-defined delimiter into a dictionary. In the last class, we learned from CSV file with delimited comma till with read a CSV file and store a column value in a list for sorting. Now we are going to learn sorting a CSV file with a specified column and dict reader class. Sorting a CSV file with a specified column. Here sorting is nothing but arranges a list value in ascending order. And also we can arrange a list in descending order. Here in this program we are going to see how the list of rows is sorted and displayed in ascending order of quantity. If we want to sort more than one column, that is we can use multiple columns. Here we can use the item getter operator. So here the syntax is operator.item getter. So where do we use item getter? Or more than one column க்கு மேல நீ sort பண்ணனும்னா அங்க item getter அப்படிங்கற ஒரு entities நீ யூஸ் பண்ணனும். item getter யூஸ் பண்ணினா மட்டும் தான் more than one column உன்னால sort பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? So here the programs is first you are going to type the notepad item name comma quantity keyboard 48 monitor 52 mouse 20. After typing the item name and quantity in the notepad file, we are going to save with the extension .csv in Python folder. So next we are going to type the Python file import csv comma operator. Here import csv is the importing csv module. Operator is nothing but we are going to use the item getter, that is we are going to sort more than one column because here we are going to import the operator module. Data equal to csv.reader open of C program, that is C colon Python prog. So there is nothing but open of it's a folder name, that is the file name. Next of data. So here already you know why we are using the next. Just you are going to omit the header, that is first row of the 5. And next one is sorted list equal to sorted of data comma key equal to operator dot item getter of 1. Here it specifies the first one we want to sort. So here we are going to sort it recording the data. Here the key equal to operator dot item getter. So for row in sorted list. So what are the things which are going to sort? Just we are going to print the next line. So here display the statement as print of row. So output is mouse 20, keyboard 48, monitor is 52. Reading CSV file into a dictionary. If you want to read a CSV file into a dictionary, can be done by using DictReader class of CSV module, which works similar to the reader class, but here it creates an object which maps data to a dictionary. Already we learned what is meant by dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of elements that is enclosed by a curly braces. Here dictionary had look up one value to match with another value. Here just enclosed with some key values. Here key values are given by the field names as parameter. So here reading CSV file into dictionary. Here there is the main difference between CSV reader and dict reader. Here CSV reader and CSV writer, it work with list or tuple, and also it can be work with dictionary. But dict reader and dict writer, it's take an additional argument as field names, that is column names. Because of that we are going to use a dictionary keys. So CSV reader and CSV writer நம்ம list அல்லது tuple வச்சு செய்யலாம். But if you want to take some additional argument, நமக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு அடிஷ்னலாக ஒரு பேராமீட்டர் கொடுக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா டிக்ஷனரி கீஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Import CSV, just we are going to import CSV module. File name is equal to, just we are going to type the file name which we are save the file location. Input file is equal to csv.dictreader of open of file name comma or. So here it's nothing but just we are going to read the input file for row in input file. So here now we are going to access each and every element in input file. After reading each and every element, we are going to print off dict of row. So here the output is item name keyboard and quantity is 48. Item name monitor, quantity is 52. Item name mouse, quantity is 20. reading CSV file with user-defined delimited into your dictionary. So now you can also register some new dialect and use it in DictReader. Here DictReader is nothing but it gives ordered dict by default in its output. Here ordered dict means it saves some order in which the contents are added. So here the program statements are item name, quantity, keyboard 48, monitor 52, mouse 20. Just type these statements in the notepad. After typing the statements, you are going to save the notepad file with .csv extension in the Python folder. Then now we are going to see the Python program. Import CSV. CSV registered dialect of my dialect. Delimiter is equal to script initial space equal to true. So already we learned what is meant by dialect and what is meant by script initial space. Here dialect is nothing but is a class of CSV module which helps to define parameters for reading and writing CSV, and also it allows you to create, store and reuse various formatting parameters for your data. And next one is script initial space. So what is meant by script initial space? It's nothing but just removing the white spaces in a character. After one file name is equal to C colon, just we are going to enter the file name with open. Just you are going to open the file. Reader is equal to csv.dictReader of csv file comma dialect is equal to my dialect. So just I are going to write this syntax for row in reader. Just we are going to read each and every row. So after read of the row, just we are going to print the statement print of dict of row. And next one is csv file.list. Just we are closing the csv file. Here the output is item name, comma quantity, keyboard, comma 48. Item name, comma quantity, comma monitor, comma 52. Item name, comma quantity, mouse, comma 20.